Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies at this time. What's going to come to you for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Capricorn, and the period of time which I have taken is the weekly from this Saturday, 8th of March to the 15th of March. What's coming to you? So, in your environment is the chariot card. So, the chariot in environment means that the influence at this time is about tenacity, intensity, to work towards your goal. You are steadfast, you have some goals in front of you, and though the journey is struggling, though the destination looks difficult, but you are going to triumph in the end. So basically, focus, determination, willpower is going to bring you great success in this time period. So Six of Wands is clarifying it. There is a overcoming of issues, and with the Ace of Wands you are going to have a success of some sort, innovative, new idea, motivation, or a new path is opening up after a period of darkness or after a period of instability in your career or in your love life, whatever it is. So there is a definite ending of some sort, and with the Five of Cups, what I am seeing is you have gone through some sadness, worry, tension. So there is now what's coming to you is the Sun and the Five of Wands. So Sun and the Five of Wands tells me that this is a difficult period. This is a difficult period filled with obstacles, but with the energy of the source, you are going to be able to overcome your problems at this time. You are going to be able to overcome obstacles, difficulty in this time period. You are going to have an entrepreneurial energy with the King of Wands, which moves ahead. They have a goal and they move ahead. So I am seeing definite departure from a situation in this time period. Any unpleasant thing, you are moving away from that. You are going towards expansion, you are going towards new things, you are taking new risks at this time, and you are going to have great success in this time period. So you will be healing in any difficulty. If you were in some kind of duality, you are going to be getting out of that. So a scheme, a plan will be made, and if you were stuck in something, you will be able to extricate yourself. So progress is coming despite difficulties. You could be doing two jobs, or you could be doing this and that, and from there, with Eight of Wands, you are moving forward with great speed. That is what I am seeing. So from a stuck situation, so lot of twos are there in this reading. There is Two of Wands, there is Two of Pentacles, there is Two of Swords. So you could be seeing two, and this is decision making. The difficulty is that you could be stuck between two situations, but very soon, and there is Two of Cups as well. So finally in your outcome, the Two of Cups is telling me the new beginning is assured. It is coming in because the Empress is with the Two of Cups. So this is new love, new job, new launch, new situation, motherhood, fertility, everything is coming in with a new beginning. There is going to be recovery of money with the Six of Pentacles, or giving of some money exchange situation with the Fool card. You will take a leap of faith at this time, which is difficult, but you are going to take this leap, you are going to take that risk, and you are going to move to a new situation. So you could be a mature man, or you could be a uniform person. Something is becoming official. There was lot of despair or sadness regarding a situation, but sudden wealth or sudden good things are coming in your career with the energy of North Node affecting you. North Node right now in your third house. So that's the house of Pisces. So the North Node or ascending node represents a place the soul longs to be, where it beckons. This is uncharted territory. You don't have a map. So you don't know exactly what is coming. So that's the Fool energy coming in the future position. So think about where you would like to be and what you would like to be doing in 10 years, and make this a beacon that guides you through the time in between. So notice what piques your curiosity, and what you need to practice when you are starting somewhere. So advisors, friends, or employees who were once perfect for you may not be any longer having any importance for you. You are going to get out of that familiarity. It will be difficult for you to leave that familiarity. You could be sad about it, but that situation is ending. So you have to, the challenge is you have to leave familiar territory. Even people who love you, they might resist your evolution, but you have to pull away and leave that situation. New beginnings dawn, and your fate awaits this new beginning. This path may start out with uncertainty, but it will become more solid and good, beautiful, tasteful, delicious as you progress. So, this is what I have for you, Capricorn, for this week. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching this page, Tarot Priestess 1313. If you want your personal reading, you can contact me through the email ID which is there in the description box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.